Both the lives of our heroes and the life of Christ challenge us to ask, what are we doing with the freedom we've been given? Are we living with gratitude? Are we loving with purpose? Salvation is a gift freely given to us. It's also an invitation to live differently, to honor both our Savior and those who sacrificed for our earthly freedoms. John 5:13 reminds us of this profound truth. Greater love has no one than this, that someone lay down his life for his friends. This is the heart of sacrifice. Whether we see it on the battlefield or on the cross, it calls us to live lives that reflect gratitude for the freedom and love that have been given to us. Today, as we pay tribute to those who fought for our earthly freedoms, remember that there is a greater freedom offered to every one of us. Jesus' sacrifice ensures that no matter where you find yourself, you can experience true eternal freedom through Him. Memorial Day reminds us of the cost of earthly liberty. And John 3:16 reminds us of the price of our spiritual redemption. Both sacrifices beckon us to live with gratitude, courage, and purpose. Take this day to honor the memory of the fallen and to thank God for the incredible gift of salvation. Live each moment with intention, and may the freedom and love we celebrate today inspire us to create a better tomorrow. God bless you, and God bless those we remember today.